applications related to the bisection method, and with this I am closing the topic of bisection method. Okay, and I will give the exercise applications also. So till now I didn't give any homework to you. I discussed the number of applications maximum, and now here I am going to discuss one application. Write down. Find the root. Find the root. Correct to 3 decimal places. Correct to 3 decimal places. And lying between 0 and 0.5, 0 and 0.5 of the equation 4 into e power minus into sin x minus 1 equal to 0. So for this one, what they are asking, we have to find the root, and that is nothing but correct to 3 decimals only. Okay, and the line between 0 and 0.5, they gave the interval also. Okay, and now here we have to take the procedure. So now here, first of all, given that f of x is equal to minus 1. What is the interval? Here interval is 0, 0.5. Now first of all I am calculating f of 0. Sin 0 is 0, so 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. F of 0.5, that is 4 into e power minus 0.5 into sin of 0.5 minus 1. Okay. Now just take the calci. Now first of all here, shift ln, open bracket, minus 0.5. We have minus now, so that's why here I am taking in this way, open bracket. We have some value again into, no need to write each and every value, right? In calci directly you can. Okay, first of all here I calculated this value into, okay, we have some answer now, directly press into, and next sin, open bracket, 0.5. Okay, like this. So now again equal to, okay, we have some value into what we have to take, 4. So directly into 4 minus 1. Finally we have that the value is 0.16314. It is a negative, it is a positive, right? So therefore we have one value is a positive and another value is a negative. Now what we have to calculate, x1, that is 0 plus 0.5 by 2. Now directly 0.5 divided by 2, 0.25. Okay, so this is nothing but the value. Now what we have to do, f of x1, iteration number 1. Okay, so now here f of x1 means 4 into e power minus 0.25 into sine of 0.25 minus 1. Calculate this value directly. First of all, e power minus 0.25, we have some answer, directly into sine of 0.25 into minus 0.25, right, into sine of, open bracket, 0.25 close bracket, again into 4 minus 1. So it is nothing but minus 0.22928. So we have, it is nothing but negative number. So negative numbers means therefore the root lies between, negative means we have to ignore this 0. So now here 0.25 comma 0.5. Now what we have to calculate, x2 plus 0.5 divided by 2. Now calculate it now. 0.375. Now x2 equal to 0.375. What is x1? 0.25. 0.375. That means both are not same. At least one digit kuda similar avatti. So then next what we have to do? x2 is finished. Now here no need to calculate the error because they didn't mention na. Now that's why iteration number 2. F of x2 equal to, calculate this value. Now e power minus 0.375 into sine of 0.375 into 4 minus 1. So it is a positive value. Positive value means therefore the root lies between. Where? It is a negative now. So negative will be same. Now it is positive now. So now here what we have to take? 375. Okay. Now x3 equal to by 2. Now calculate it. (0.3125). Now x3 equal to 0.3125. So now here what we have? 0.3. 0.3. Somewhat it is same. But after that we are getting some another one. That's why again we have to go for the next iteration. Now f of x3 equal to don't take here minus because in the function we have only sign. Okay. Now shift e power minus 0.3125 into sine of 0.3125 into 4 minus 1. Now it is minus 0.10029 less than 0. So when it is less than 0, what we can say ma? The root lies between. Where it lies? The root lies between. It is a negative, it is a positive now. Now we have to ignore 0.25, 0.3125, comma 0.375. Okay. Next x4 by 2. Calculate the value. Yeah, it is 0.34375. 0.x3 is 3, yes, same. But here we have 1 and here we have 4. Again we have to go for the next iteration, number 4. Now f of x4 equal to 4 into 3, 4. So now here I am taking it as some x4 equal to 0.3437. Okay, otherwise 8. Up to 4 digits I am taking. Actually they asked that final answer we have to give up to 3 decimals only. Okay. So now here 3438 sine of 3438 minus 1. Now calculate my fast. So minus 0.04398 which is less than 0, right? So which is less than 0 means again what we can say? The root lies between 0.3438 comma 0.375. Okay. Now x5. by 2. So now here what we get now? 0.3438 plus 0.375 equal to divided by 2. So now it is 0.3594 x5. Now observe x4 value 0.3435. So the near values we are getting. So again we have to go for the next iteration number 5. So now f of x5 equal to 4 into e power sine of 0.3594 minus 1. Now calculate it. into sine of 0.3594 into 4 minus 1. It is minus 0.01788, again less than 0. Therefore, what we can say? The root lies between. What is the new interval now? It is nothing but 3.94. We are getting the negative now, so that's why 0.3594, comma 0.375. Next, what we have to calculate? x6 by 2. Now what we get now? 0.3594 plus 0.375 divided by 2. Yeah, 0.3672. Now compare with x5. 0.359. 359 means 36. Here 36. Near value but not exact, right? Again we have to go for the next iteration number 6. Simple now. If you are okay with the currency, then simply you will get the answers. Okay. So now here iteration number 6. F of x6 equal to 4 into e power minus 3672 sine of 0.3672 minus 1. Now calculate it. Which is equal to minus 0.005314. Okay. So actually for this one I took in a different way. I am comparing the values. We have that x6, yeah, 0.3672. Yes, correct only. Now it is negative means the root lies between. It is negative, so we have to ignore first value. Now calculate x7 plus 0.375 by 2. x7 equal to 3711. Okay. So up to again now the second digit is different. Here we have 5, here we have 6, here we have 7. So next again we have to go for the next iteration number 7. Now f of x7. Now now it is positive 0.000852. So which is positive means what we can say, the root lies between. What is a new interval? The first value will be same, second value will be different, 0.3711. Now we have to calculate x8. Now see 0.3672. Actually here in the question they mentioned up to 3 decimals mark. So compulsory 3 decimals are similar to Ravar. That's why I am repeating this one. Now again see, I have the 36915. So I am taking that 9 2. X8. Now compare with X7. 3711 3692. Of course it is near value but not exact. So that's why again we have to go for the next iteration. At least we have to get the 3 digits will be same. Because they mentioned that up to 3 decimals. Now iteration number 8. Minus again, which is less than. So minus means less than, na? Therefore the root lies between. What is the new interval? We have to ignore this value. So now 0.3692 comma 0.3711. Now what will be the x9? By 2. 0.3692 plus 0.3711 divided by 2. 0.37015 x9. So it is, by comparing this x8, 0.369, 0.370. Near value but not similar. Again we have to go for the next iteration number 9. And here 37015, now I am taking 3702. Okay? Now calculate it. So again we have that it is a negative. So negative means which one we have to ignore? The first value. That means 0.3702 comma 0.3711. Now x10 equal to plus 0.3711 by 2. So now 0.3702 plus 0.3711 divided by 2. Yeah. Now 0.37065. Now x10 equal to 0.37065. So 0, I am taking simply 7. So now previous value x9 is 37015. I mean 2. Here we have 7. So by taking the next iteration, there is a chance to get that some near value. Okay, now f of x10 equal to 4 into sine of 0.3707 minus 1. Now e power 0.3707 into sine of into 4 minus 1. Seven 07 into sine of 0.3707 close the bracket into 4 minus 1. Yeah, 3 only, which is greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between. Where the root lies? So now here we have to take the negative one and positive one. So negative value is 0.3702. 0.3702 comma 0.3707. Now x10 equal to x11 3702 plus 3707 by 2. Divided by 2. Yeah. Now x11 equal to 0.37045. That means 5. So obviously here what we have, up to 3 decimals 370, we have the same thing 3707 and 370. If you want then you can go, otherwise simply here I am taking that. See here 37015, that means 3702. 3707 means here we can take that 0.371 and here 0.375. 05 means of course here also we can take. Therefore the required root of the given equation is x equal to, up to 3 decimals we have to correct it to 3 decimals now. So 0.371 is the required root. So now this is nothing but the application. Of course here simply we are calculating that the function value and the root values, and now here I am going to, of course here the answer is nothing but 0.371, and now here I am going to few applications. Now write down exercise problems. Okay, now write down first question. Right. Explain the bisection method. Mostly application but I am giving this one also. Already I gave the answer. Now here I am saying the question. Explain the bisection method for finding a real root of the equation f of x equal to 0 and write an algorithm for its implementation. Okay, that means simply we have to explain about the bisection method and we have to give the steps. Already I gave. Now second question, write down. Second question, obtain a root correct to 3 decimal places. Correct to 3 decimal places. The 3 decimal places are like this only. Okay, correct to 3 decimal places of each of the following equations, using the bisection method. First one, x cube minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0. Here they didn't mention the intervals, so I mean you have to find that interval. Okay, x cube minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0. Already I said how to find. Okay, next x cube plus x square minus 1 equal to 0. Next one is 5x log x, here base 10. Okay, so here you have to take the calcipart. In the calcipart you have to take log. You have the button that is log. You have to take that one. Okay, minus 6 x square plus x minus cos x is equal to c. Okay, so now maximum they will ask that the application related to this bisection method. So you have to. So now simply here you have the x cube minus 4x minus 9. That means just you have to put that x equal to 0, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2 like that. And here you have to get that 1 is a positive value and another one is a negative value. And here also. And for this one also and for this one also. Okay. So try to solve these problem, and this is today's class. In the next class I am going to discuss the next topic. Okay. I hope it is clear to you, and if you get any doubt then please ask. Thank you everyone.